Hi there, this is the first tutorial in a series teaching you how to use Signals&Sorcery, a generative audio platform. So the first thing you would want to do is create a contract. So let's go ahead and say funk. Keep it simple. You can make it as elaborate as you want. It's basically going to pick some chords, key, BPM, things like that. You can change all of this if you want. There we go. So it shows E minor, all E minor chords in 100 beats per minute. That sounds about right. Let's go ahead and add some synths. So we'll add a kick drum and we'll add a bass line and we'll listen to that. So what's happening here is it's asking Gemini to generate MIDI notes, and it's going to pick a preset on your behalf. By default, this application ships with Surge XT, a high-quality open source synth, but of course all of that is changeable and configurable. So first we got a kick. You can hear the kick, sounds fine, and let's wait for our bass line to come in. Yeah, so there we go. So now you have two MIDI tracks, and you can change up the sounds if you want. Next we'll move on to samples. Thank you very much.